morning, guys. It's a new day. It's a new Tuesday. Got the Dodge out of the garage. Got the Ranger backed in. Gonna be doing a little bit of work back here. Nothing too crazy, but something a little bit more fun. Lately, work, my job has been a little crazy. Things are changing. It's been a little stressful. So, I don't want to bore you guys with that, but woke up this morning on my day off and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go out and I want to do something fun. I got a list of stuff to do, so I didn't really want to take care of the list of stuff to do today. So what's happening is the truck is getting caged. It's actually happening a lot sooner than I thought it was going to, which it's a good and bad thing, but we'll get it taken care of. So just trying to collect parts for that, ripping out the interior, just get it ready for my buddy Mikey when it heads down south to get it done. There's a little thing on the truck that I've been wanting to do, and I'm just going to do it today, kind of relax in the garage and not be too stressed about it. So what I did is I went to our local Sportsman's Warehouse and I bought a new cooler. I also bought these tie downs. I always like having ice chests in the truck or coolers in the truck, but having access to the lid without having to unstrap the whole ice chest. That's always been a big thing for me, and I've always made it happen. But now that I got the bed cage back here, my nice, big, expensive Pelican cooler doesn't fit back there anymore. And that thing's pretty massive, and trying to squeeze it in anywhere back here just wasn't going to be possible. Now that the spare tire's back here instead of on the swing where it used to be, it just takes up a lot of room, which is fine. I'm gonna make it work. This tie down kit, it's from Canyon Coolers. This is meant for their coolers. I'm just gonna hope that it fits on that one. So that's the plan. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna shut up now. Ice chest is in, strapped down, secure. Those Canyon cooler straps worked great. I did just cut them down a little bit so they're the tail end's not too long. It's awesome, so let's go check it out. So back here, up here. There you go. Now the next thing is to go fill it up and test it out. That's cool, baby. Alright guys, well, that's it for the cooler video. I'm gonna leave it back there for a couple hours to see how long that ice will last in there. It's definitely not gonna last as long as my Pelican, but should be a few hours, I'd hope. All right, guys. Peace out.